Hey, welcome to the Synergy, where we discuss about insurance, finance, and you. And from time to time, I said I'll bring to you some of the questions that are burning in people's hearts, some of the things that have come out of consultations with myself and even those of my advisors. And obviously, finally we got Emergence Financial Services going, which will be helping lots and lots and lots of more people. So the topic for today is all about income protection, and this actually came out of one of my consultations too. So the question is, if I have an income protection and I'm a contractor, meaning there is no other form of income coming into me if I'm unable to work, because quite a few organizations, if you're a full-time employee, you may have 1 month, 2 weeks, or even up to 6 months worth of sick pay if you're fit to work. However, that doesn't happen for contractors. If you're not working, unfortunately, you don't get paid. So what if I have an income protection and I need to go on maternity leave? What happens to my income protection? Because unfortunately, my income is going to drop. Um, yes, maybe I may be entitled to statutory maternity pay. How do we do this? All right. So this is to address that. There is absolutely no need for you to cancel your income protection because you're going on maternity leave. And how do we do that? So there's what we call house person cover. Okay. So while you're working, you've gotten 60% of your income already in income protection. Let's say, for example, your income is in the neighborhood of like £100,000, and so meaning £60,000 paid monthly will be about let's say this is tax free for you. So let's do your calculation. So 60,000 divided by 12. Calculate with me, it's okay. So I give you the right figure. Yeah. 6,000 divided by 12. So £5,000 is going to you monthly before because you're working fully. However, now it's time to go maternity leave. What you can have access to will be the house person cover. The house person cover allows you up to £1,500 per month. Obviously, you're going to be having some support from the government too because you're maternity leave, even if you're a contractor. So that 1,500 is available to you. So once you start your maternity leave, what you want to do to your advisor, which obviously is going to be me, right, is, okay, tell me that this is the time I'm going on maternity leave. So obviously my income is going to drop for this period of time. So we talked to the insurance company, they changed the wording of your income protection to that of a house person. I think for most insurers, it's up to about £1,500 that you can get access to a cover within those period. And so within those period, you're going to pay reduced premium. So not what you're paying before. Your premium is going to be reflecting the financial outlay for the insurance company, what they need to pay you if you were to claim. Are you going to make a claim because you are on maternity leave? No, it's not a maternity cover. It is if you are unfit to work if you're unfit to do something. So I'll explain that to you now because you are not working. Remember that you're not working now because you're taking care of your baby and you need to focus on taking care of that baby. However, if during that period you were sick and you are too ill to partake in some activities which will be defined by the insurance company. Some will say if you're not able to do your house chores or if you're not able to do what you would normally do if you're working, if you're a house person, then that will trigger a payment. You can make that claim for up to the period that you are away from. In most cases, up to 1 year. It may not be up to 2 years because obviously your maternity leave is roughly about, let's say, 6 months to 9 months. Some people take extended for up to 1 year. So the house person within that period is roughly about 1 year cover, meaning that there can still be a financial support for you, not because of the baby, because having a baby is one of the beautiful life moments of women. So it is not an illness. However, what if something happens to you and you were ill during this period? Can you make a claim? Yes, you can make a claim as defined by the insurance company. It depends on whatever company you are. So that's why it's important for you to have a talk, with me or your financial advisor to say, take a look at my income protection. Within this period, I'm not working because I'm taking care of the baby. What's my cover going to be like? And that will be able to, sort that out for you. And once you're back in work again, then we can get that income protection up to where it should be because of what you are earning per annum. Remember, at the point of putting your policy in place, you may not need to prove your income. However, when you're going to make a claim, you will need to prove your income. So only take on cover that you have a proof of income for, right? So you need to be paying your taxes on time. You also need to have that, let's be very, very upfront. So if you're watching this and you're still having babies and you're a contractor and you don't have any cover at all, let's have a discussion. Okay, let's talk about it. You still can have yourself a cover, a sickness cover. It's not called income protection as a that because the income is not coming from your working. It's referred to as house person cover, meaning you are doing things in the house, you're with the baby, you're taking care of things. If there's anything that stops from doing that, that's due to illness or accident within the home while you're not back to work because you're maternity, then there is a cover for you. So don't cancel your income protection. And this is what I said to one of my clients, that what if you cancel this income protection and during the time that you're away on maternity, you develop a form of critical illness or something happens and suddenly when we're reviewing your policy, we want to put the income protection back on, we're not able to do it because now you're not qualified again. Remember, use your health, use your age for your income protection or for critical illness cover. For any form of insurance, you need your health and you also need your BMI. And you know what happens? Things happen once women start having babies. I remember when I had my first baby, I was a tiny size 57 kg. Yeah, I was 57 kg. When I had my second baby, I went to about 61 kg. After my third baby, I was about 63 kg. So after every birth, really, your body still retains a bit of the weight. It doesn't totally go back. Some people are perfect the way they work on their weight is fantastic, but you know what? It may not happen for every one of us. So that's why it's good for you to keep it. So if it's within the first 6 months and you're back to work, there may not be any reason for them to reevaluate your medicals. That means they'll take your health as it were when the policy was first put in place. However, if it's above 6 months, they may need for us to redo the application because we never know. However, I think, there's a cover for you while you're on maternity leave, but it's not called income protection. It's mainly called house person cover. So don't cancel your income protection because you're going on maternity leave as a contractor. Hold on, have a conversation with me or any of the advisors that shared this with you and let them advise you on how to go about it. So we know that you are still covered even when you're taking care of your baby. I believe that should answer your questions there. Yeah, if you have any other questions, remember, send them to me. We'll forever, always respond to this. What's important to me is that I educate you on the right sort of protections for you to have for this right sort of financial resilience plan for you and for your family. Income protection is important because income is king. Critical illness cover is important. Private medical insurance, all of those we're able to help you with at Emergence Financial Service. I'm excited to be able to do that for you and more now. So go to the website or just call the number that's provided there and we'll be able to book you in for a free consultation to see what you have now or what we can help you to put in place. Right. So do you need to cancel your income protection because you're going on maternity leave? No, don't cancel it. We'll change the cover to house person, and then once you're back in full work again, it's going to go back to income protection. I guess that should answer your question. Right. Yeah, over and out now. Remember to share if you're not connected yet on social media, please follow us. And then, yes, we're here to serve you. Emergence Financial Services, we are creating your secure tomorrow. So let's work together.